Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our smart band, and we can do it by double tapping on the screen. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. Now scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, select the option called display and brightness. And here tap on the option called brightness, adjustment. Right here. And once you select the brightness adjustment option, you will see the slider and you can adjust the brightness by swiping up or down on this slider right here. So set the brightness level to the level you want. And then you can swipe right on the screen to go back and keep swipe right until you see the watch face if you want to go back to watch face, like this. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness level on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.